Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is right over there watching me, making sure I don't screw this up. Happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. This is one of the most exciting days of the year for all of us gigantic Star Wars fans, which I am. Most of the first 6 movies, I'm not a huge fan. After that, except for Rogue One, I do like that, but after that, not a big fan. Love the prequels, love the original trilogy. To me, that is Star Wars. And today, we're going to be making a cocktail, a Star Wars themed cocktail. And I thought I would make the Dark Side cocktail, which is obviously themed after the dark side of the Force, which, as we all know, is the more fun side, right? I mean, you got Darth Vader, Darth Maul, all the Sith. I mean, it just, for me growing up, I was always a fan of the bad guys. I know it's horrible, but I was always kind of rooting for them. I don't know. But now that I see the movies as I'm older, I understand the arc and where it goes. But yeah, I didn't like Luke cutting off Darth Vader's hand. I didn't enjoy that at all when I was younger. But I like it now, and I like how Darth Vader, becomes good again and saves the galaxy from the Emperor. But anyway, so this is a Dark Side cocktail. I've never had it. Cannot wait to make it. So excited. And it comes to us. I found this recipe at funstampersjourney.com. So I'll leave a link to where you could find that in the description of the video. But this, I'm so excited. Happy Star Wars Day. I got on my Death Star shirt. Such a shame it had to blow up, And then they built another one. That also blew up. What in the world was going on? Okay, so I'm going to stop talking now. Let's get up to the table there. Let's make this drink and see if we like it. Let's hope we do. Alrighty, so first of all, we have 2 ounces of bourbon. This is a Tower of Terror shot glass. I did not have any Star Wars shot glasses. I was shocked. So we'll go 2 ounces of bourbon. I'll try not to spill it. I usually do. That is the first time ever, I think. And then a half an ounce of blackberry brandy. So I'm just gonna kind of guess. Here, that half an ounce. If it goes over a little bit, that is not a big deal. And then half an ounce of triple sec. Once again, I'm going to kind of guess here. And finally, a dash of bitters, or a couple dashes. All right, now we're going to shake that up. All right, so then fill a Darth Vader glass with ice, or any other glass you have. Hopefully Star Wars themed, but if not, that'll be just fine. And I'm gonna dump this into the glass. Oh, look at the color. That does look like the dark side. That looks exactly like the dark side of the Force. Then you're gonna top that with a little blackberry garnish. I wish I had a lightsaber, but I don't, so this is gonna have to do. And there you have it. Super easy, super fun. The Dark Side cocktail. The dark side of the Force is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural. It's a quote from Revenge of the Sith. Emperor Palpatine says that. Love that line. Yeah, look at this. This is the perfect color too. Look at that. That's what you would think the dark side would look like. Kind of, sort of. But yeah, kind of a purplish, purple blue. Then you got the blackberries on top. All right, so let's try this. I'm so excited. Cannot wait. If I don't drop it, that's my main fear every time I do these. Okay. Let's give this a try. Wow. That is delicious. Very, very good. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'm not even a huge bourbon fan. I'm more of a, I like rum and vodka. But I don't mind bourbon if it's mixed. I'm not one of those people that can drink like straight. No, I can't do that. But mixed together with the blackberry brandy, that is delicious. I bet that's good on its own. I'll have to try that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is delicious. This is delicious. Kind of feel like Darth Vader right now after drinking that. Actually, you have a couple of these and you're going to look like the Emperor is who you look like. That's because it is really strong, which is good. Fantastic. I love it. Oh my gosh. Very good. Wow. The Dark Side cocktail, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I almost gave it a 10. I'll say 9 out of 10. But after I finish one, it'll be a 10 out of 10, I think. Very, very good. Happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. The 4th will be with you always. So exciting. So make this on Star Wars Day. This is so easy too. That's what I like. I like drinks that are easy. I don't like to take, you know, like an hour or something to make a drink. Not that it would ever take that long, you know, but I might be, you know, that might be an embellishment. But thank you, Vader. Thank you, Darth Maul. Oh, there's Vader back there. Baloo and Vader. Well, you know, it's his head anyway. So there you have it. This is perfect for Star Wars Day. You got to make it. Happy Star Wars Day once again. How many times have I said that? Yeah, wow. Yeah, very good. Very, very good. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button. It really helps me out. More importantly, helps Sophie out. Leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make. I can attempt that. Keyword being attempt. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, usually about 1 a week, sometimes 2. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.